At this age, my friends be my business partners anyway. We gotta be breaking bread. But now you're able to write off the venue, the Airbnb that you hosted your birthday at, and you're able to write off all the expenses related to throwing that party. Now we're focused on how to turn our personal birthday into a 100% tax deductible business mastermind.
See, business write-offs in general are a bit of a gray area, but what he's doing here is a good example of what you definitely cannot do. You also just can't write off a business expense if you don't have a business. So this tip just does not apply to like the 90% of people that just don't have their own business. In addition to this being not practical and borderline illegal, it also just doesn't sound fun. Like this is the epitome of removing any sort of work-life balance. I think we can actually take this one step further and turn a lot of different events into tax deductible events. You know your grandmother's funeral? Well, let me tell you guys how you can turn your grandmother's funeral into a 100% tax deductible event. To ensure that it's not too much of a personal event, make sure that the first two speakers have no relation to your grandmother. Instead, they should be giving a speech strictly related to how to better your business. Then, when everyone goes up to pay their respects at the casket, make sure they drop their phone number, LinkedIn, and their best piece of business-to-business sales advice. You'll thank me later. And don't even get me started on weddings, because why say I do when you could instead say I saved?